Hey everyone, it's Jen, and I have a question for you today. Have you ever thought about doing a detox or a cleanse? Well, I have some great news. I wanted to tell you today about a program called the 3-Day Refresh. It's for everyone and anyone who wants to take care of themselves and create a new healthy habit. So, to help you decide if you're ready for this, I wanted to share with you 3 things. First, the top 3 reasons why people decide to do the refresh, what is the refresh, and how you can get the refresh and do it yourself. So the top 3 reasons, first of all, people maybe want a clean break from a period of unhealthy eating. So think about that weekend where you went away and maybe you went to a wedding, or maybe it was a holiday weekend and you just overindulged, had that extra drink, had that extra serving of dessert, right? The next week you feel a little bloated or unhealthy. This program is perfect for times like that. So that's number 1. Number 2 is you're looking to create a new healthy habit before starting a new program. So say you're joined a gym, or you got a new program, or maybe you are going to be doing a Whole30 type of a eating nutrition plan. Before doing something like that, the refresh is just 3 short days to help you get a clean slate. And lastly, who does not ever have that feeling sometimes where you're like, put on your pants or put a dress on and it's a little snug. You can't fasten it and fit into it. Well, doing the 3-day refresh, guys, in 3 days, your clothes will fit better. I promise you, you're gonna lose a few inches around your waist and around your hips. Things are gonna be fitting much better after 3 days with the refresh. So what is the refresh? Here it is. It's 3 daily shakes. It includes a fiber drink, and during the 3 days you drink a lot of filtered water, plus you get to eat real food. We're not talking one of those juice cleanses or all liquid diets. You get to eat real food, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats throughout the day to help keep your energy up and metabolism going. So how do you get the refresh? Through me. I am a rep with the company called Teen Beachbody, and I can help you get the program and set it up from day 1 to day 3. So reach out to me today. Send me an email. My email is jennvoss@sbcglobal.net. Let me know that you're ready to start this program. I am here for you whenever you're ready to start. You can start it in the middle of the week, the beginning of the month, the end of the month. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready to help you. And guys, if you know anyone who is struggling in any of these areas, I appreciate you sharing this video with them, because I am on a mission to help more people get healthy this year. And sharing is caring. I really appreciate you guys watching this, and I hope that you'll give the refresh a try. I know that you're going to feel amazing at the end of the program. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.